Do you work as urgent and aggressive like Hassan? You got other approach mindset. I definitely have another approach and mindset. Typically, as I've lived with him, because obviously I live with him, he's literally like across the hall right now. But as I live with him, I definitely am more like urgent and aggressive. But for me personally, working like that 24/7 is just too much. It's just not who I am, really. It's just not. I'm a very relaxed person majority of the time. But normally I just really focus on just building systems and just thinking methodically about everything and just coming at stuff with a calm head and just thinking really methodically about building systems behind it and outsourcing stuff. That's kind of my approach, just really outsourcing aggressively. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.